It's a great day for hockey cards, and today we're going to take a look at 2014-15 Fleer Ultra. Got this blaster box on clearance online. Did not pay $19.99. It's probably not worth that. Gonna open it today on the channel. 7 packs per box with 1 bonus pack. Pretty much the best you can hope for in this as far as like an insert or a parallel is the gold medallions. I think they're 1 in 4. Yeah, gold medallion parallels 1 in 4. Everything else is a pretty hard hit in here. It's tough to get anything really of value in this product, but we're going to take a look at it today and maybe we'll get lucky. Let's see what we get. The Flyer Claude Giroux on the cover of the product. So this originally retailed, according to the box, for $19.99, which I feel is a little expensive for what you get in this product. Let's open our first pack. See if we get lucky. Kari Ramo, Michael Neuwirth, Sidney Crosby, Cam Fowler, and Zach Parise. So no inserts there. Design of the cards is fairly plain. White border, black with a little bit of foil on it. There we have Eric Stahl. And that's what the back side looks like. A little statistical summary and player biography. Matt Zuccarello, David Descharnay, Cal Okposo, and Double J, Barry Auger. Gino, Evgeny Malkin, Vinny Lecavalier, Jumbo Joe Thornton, Rich Peverly, and Mika Zibanejad. So hopefully this is our 4th pack. Hopefully we'll get at least a gold medallion parallel model here. Vladislav Nemestikov, Cody CC, Clark MacArthur, gold medallion. Henrik Sedin, Johnny Hockey. Just as with a lot of retail products, it's generally disappointment versus the hobby box. Andrew Shaw. Oh, look at that. A road to the championship. Tomas Hertl. Nice foily ticket there. Wow, definitely wasn't expecting that. Matt Duchene. What are the odds on the road to the championship? Road to the championship, 1 in 72, so that's a pretty decent hit there. Tomas Hertl. I've now completely changed my tune about the product. It's absolutely the best product ever. Just kidding. Still sucks. Milan Lucic, Antti Ranta, Neo Yakupov, Andrei Pavlik, and Darcy Kemper. Ovi, PK Subban, Letang, Chris Kreider, and Henrik Zetterberg. Last pack. Let's see if we can get some last pack mojo on this one. Probably unlikely. Shea Weber, Cam Ward, Andrei Pavlik, gold medallion card. Back of those similar, except they do denote that it's a gold medallion card and you got the kind of gold back instead of gray. Max Pacioretty, and finally Ben Scrivens. So yeah, that's a blaster box of 2014 Fleer Ultra Hockey. Definitely the hit of the box is this Tomas Hertl Road to the Championship. So if you like what you see, please give us a thumbs up on the video, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.